Hello everyone, this is Titus from Young Programmer. I make videos of some software hacks and program guides. Okay, without wasting time, let's jump into the topic, that is how to install Smadav Antivirus with license key, or you can say registration key. First, you have to go to your browser and you have to type smadav.net, that is smadav.net, and then you have to click download. After you download the program, go to computer, downloads, and you can find this Smadav exe file. Open this, run. Yes, next, I accept it. Next, create. I don't want to allow sending, so that's why I'm turning off. Next, install. Okay, antivirus is launching. Now let's exit this, close the window, and now go to settings. I will provide this link in the description. You can download from that, or you can simply copy from your screen. Copy this Titus, and whatever the name is, copy and paste on name. Copy the key and paste on key and register. And yeah, thanks, you're a success. Your antivirus has been activated. Okay, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe to my channel. I will be grateful. Okay, thank you so much for watching.